We've all wished at one time or another that we had perfect skin, but just like everything else in life, perfection doesn't come naturally. At Secret, we understand that caring for your skin is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. To properly care for your skin, Secret recommends a daily regimen, a few skincare basics to help your skin retain its youth and its health. Our daily regimen is designed to help you keep your skin clean, fresh, and moisturized based on your own specific skin type. It's simple. Cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize. Our foundational oily regimen is ideal for those with blemish-prone skin and will help unclog and tone the pores. Our goal with this specific regimen is to balance your skin's natural oils to reveal healthy, radiant skin. In the first month, begin your foundational regimen with the very basics to start caring for your skin. Cleanse, tone, moisturize. Use the facial mud soap every day to wash your face from any dirt, toxins, or makeup. First, moisten your skin. Lather the soap and apply onto your face and neck. Clean your skin thoroughly with your fingertips. Rinse with lukewarm water. Apply the mineral-rich refining toner on a cotton ball and rub in circular motions. You might feel a slight tingling sensation due to the high concentration of minerals. Rinse with lukewarm water. Apply a quarter-size dab of the Essential Moisture Face Cream, or if you have the age-defying regimen, use Refresh Vitamin-Rich Moisturizer on your face and neck. Apply in an upwards motion. Now that your skin is used to the very basic steps, begin your advanced regimen in month 2. Use our Balancing Facial Serum, or if you have the age-defying regimen, use our Restore Face Serum to infuse your skin with nutrients. Apply this before you apply the face cream. Advance your regimen by using the Essential Nutrition Eye Gel, or if you have the age-defying regimen, use Revive Eye Serum to nurture, protect, and hydrate the sensitive skin around your eyes. In month 3, complete the regimen by including your skin-targeted products like our mineral-rich clarifying mud mask to deeply cleanse and exfoliate. Apply a generous amount on your face, except your eyes, and let it dry for about 5 to 7 minutes. When it is fully dried, begin rubbing off the mask with your fingertips to exfoliate. Wash off any residue with the mud soap included to leave your face fresh, clean, and smooth. If you have our age-defying regimen, use Recover Mask to turn back the clock. First, massage the sachet until the contents inside feel completely liquid. Then, apply on a moist face, starting at your forehead and then around the rest of your face. Allow the mask to dry for about 15 minutes. During this time, make sure you're relaxed and keep your face still. After the mask is completely dry, rinse off with lukewarm water. Follow with your serum, face cream, and eye products to leave your skin feeling deeply hydrated and moisturized. Just because you started with normal skin doesn't mean you can't have extraordinary skin with the Secret regimen.